If you feel that you are stuck, then it's not an accident. Someone somewhere wants you to stay there. Like, think about it. You were told, go to school, get good grades, get a job, and now you are here, confused, scrolling, restless, and have no idea what to do. And after all this, you were thinking, is this it? Is this the life that I really even want? And this has happened because nobody ever asked you what you want. You were given a framework, a blueprint, and you just, like a good girl, you ticked all the boxes, did all the stuff that you were supposed to do. But now something is missing. You know that. And you feel stuck in this loop where you never wanted to be in the first place. You think it's your fault? No. You have been trained to feel trapped. And truth is that most people never get out of it. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, they are still stuck in this rut and they have no idea what went wrong, when it went wrong, and what they could do now. They keep waiting for the right time, which, by the way, never comes. But there is a way to break it. The scary part is that if you don't take action now, the door will close permanently. I have seen people from the same background with the same doubts in their minds who go from sitting in a small, tiny, rented apartment room to owning their own house, creating multiple income streams, and traveling the world. They had created a life for themselves that they absolutely love and are proud of. The only difference that they made the decision before their comfort trapped them. Right now, as I speak, there are thousands of people out there who are taking decisions, taking actionable steps which will change the course of the rest of their lives. And every day that you wait, the gap between you and them keeps getting wider and wider. And very soon, you will not be even playing the same game because they would have moved way ahead in the game and you would have still been here settling for the bare minimum, settling for something that you never even wanted in the first place. I know what's going on in your mind. I don't have the money, I don't have the experience, I don't have the proper skills to take those steps. But guess what? Nobody did. Nobody was perfect when they started. They learned the skills along the way, they gathered confidence to start in the very first place, and that is what matters. The real danger is not having resources. The real danger is losing the fire that is within you. Because once your brain gets addicted to the comfort, the urgency dies, and then you will start giving excuses and start settling for the life that you're living right now. And before you know it, you will wake up one day and realize that you are living the life that you never even chose in the very first place. But you can flip this. In the next 30 days, you can make progress that most people never make in a year if you start now. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps that will put you ahead of 90% of the people out there. Step 1. Set a goal. All your life, you will keep working for someone else's dreams if you don't have the courage to pursue your own dreams. So don't let your dreams die. Don't settle for working for anything less than your absolute best. And when I tell you to set a goal, set a scary goal, an absolutely scary and crazy goal, not a safe goal. Set a goal which sounds absolutely impossible because it is only when you aim for the moon that you will at least land up in the stars. A goal should be so scary that when people around you even think about it, they start laughing, they will call you crazy, and they will think that it is impossible for you to achieve it. Actually, and truly believe that you can live the life that you really, really want. Don't be afraid and don't let your insecurities run in and stop you from making the absolute best decision for you because your subconscious knows what you really want. It is a dream that you have always had, and that is why you are not able to settle for anything less. And if you are someone who is dealing with your insecurities, and I've already made a video on my channel about insecurities, I'd also attach a link in this video and you can go and check it and sort out those issues because this is the time to take actions. You can't let your emotions, your insecurities, or your fears ruin your life forever. You can't be afraid, shy, and stuck in this cycle because you deserve the absolute best. Hundreds and thousands of people out there have taken the step, have gone in the pursuit of their goals. And even if they were not able to achieve 100% of it, maybe they achieved 70-80%, but that was still better than the life that you're living right now and feeling like it's coming to suffocate you every single day. So, first, believe your vision, believe your capabilities. Don't let any kind of fear hinder your way and set a goal which you absolutely truly want and which may sound crazy and impossible, but set your vision on something that big. Step number 2, create a public deadline. Tell your friends, family, acquaintances, colleagues about your goal, about your vision. If you yourself don't believe in your goals, if you are shy or ashamed of them, how will you ever think that you will be able to achieve it? So, if you have a goal or a vision, go out there and tell people, create accountability for yourself, because you are so used to making false promises to yourself that once again you will tell yourself that, oh, I will wake up tomorrow at 5 o'clock. But every time you will snooze the alarm. It is only when your brain knows that you are at the verge of being ashamed, you have accountability with someone out there, only then your brain will force you to take action. So post it on Instagram or any other social media, tell to everyone, and if possible, like go out there on the roof and shout that this is my what my dream is, this is what my goal is, and I'm going to achieve it. Create a proper and public deadline for yourself. Create accountability. Put yourself on that pedestal. Don't shy away from anything. Don't shy away and hide behind your fears and insecurities. Don't hide yourself behind the fear of judgment of others, because they don't matter. What matters is you, is your courage to take action towards your goal. These people out there who are laughing at you right now, one day they will be clapping in the background. But in order for that day to come, you have to endure all of these embarrassment. The road to success is not easy, but it exists and you can walk on it. Step 3. Take one irreversible step. Sign up, book it. Your brain is wired to respect only what costs you. If you don't pay for something, you will not be able to value it that much. And when I talk about payment, the payment need not always be in terms of money. It can be in terms of your effort, it can be in terms of your time, it can be in terms of your energy and actual money as well. Like if your dream is to write a book, you will need to learn some basics of it, like how to write, how to think, how to develop characters. And you may not be very proficient in the storytelling as of now, but you can get there with the proper guidance, with the proper mentorship. You will definitely be able to achieve it. So don't shy away from learning. Like if you don't have money right now, you can start learning from online tutorials which are free. YouTube is a great platform. There are also free courses on Skillshare, Udemy, and Coursera. Like you have the entire internet as your school. You can learn from like anywhere, anytime. But for that, you need to get started. Even if to watch that first tutorial, say for example, you commit to watching a 1 hour tutorial and as a starter, that is an irreversible step. Now you can't go back. You've already started and you have already invested 1 hour of your time. And that effort is also your investment in your goal. You don't go back on that. Keep promises to yourself. See who can help you. Remember that every time you think about transforming your life, bringing a change, or going on to achieve something, when you really, really want something, the entire universe will come together to help you. But you have to understand what your universe is. You are the center of your universe. And that is why you have to believe in yourself. You have to set that goal and tell yourself that this is my goal. Then your universe is also made by the people around you. You have to tell them. Maybe in the beginning they will not support you, but once they start see that you are serious about it, they will also come together and chip in and help you in whatever way possible. Believe me, that will happen. They will come around when they see that you are serious. And then there are the invisible powers around you which are always guiding you and helping you in the right direction. And for that, they need to see that you are serious, you are taking actions, you have started taking serious and irreversible steps in the direction of your goals. That is when they will also support you. So, all of these steps will help you inch by inch move towards your goal. Now, here's the catch. You can't just say, oh, I'll think about it and I will see about it later. No, that is not going to work. You have to get serious about it and you have to take action now, because the longer you wait, the more difficult it becomes for you to get out of this rut, to break the cycle. The people around you are used to a certain version of you. In fact, they have contributed to creating that version of you, and they don't want you to break that cycle. But you have to take charge of your own life if you want to bring changes. They will stop you, they will try to keep you trapped. Unknowingly and unintentionally, they will become obstacles in your way. But if you are really determined about the life that you want, and the change that you see, you have to surpass everything. You can't let them stop you from escaping this rut, from breaking the cycle, and choosing the life that you really and truly deserve. But if you don't take action now, you will wake up tomorrow and nothing would have changed. A week later, and still nothing would have changed. A month later, nothing would have changed. And a year later, but if you act today, you will feel the rush. the spark, and you will truly know what it feels to be alive. Now, the question is, will you take the first step before the window closes, or you will just sit on your window and watch someone else live the life that you dreamt of? Now, you have two choices. Either you just scroll away or you take action. And remember, the longer you wait, the harder it gets for you to break it. And if no one has told this to you yet, let me tell you, you deserve much, much, much more than this cage. You deserve freedom. So break the cycle, get out of the rut now. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.